There's no question that electricity is a huge part of the automotive world. And with today's lights and accessories and modern fuel injection, making the right electrical connection is paramount to having a reliable vehicle. But if this is the only style crimper you have in your toolbox, you're going to be in trouble. Now, they're fine for a traditional style terminal, but for a fuel injection harness, they're not going to cut it. So Cornwell came out with this universal crimp tool set to take care of you. Now, as you can see, you've got a handle, then you've got some interchangeable ends that will allow you to do open barrel terminals, sealed terminals, solid pin terminals, pretty much everything that you're going to run into on an automobile. Now, to use this thing, just take the handles, open it up, spread the little wings, grab the head of your choice, slide it in place, push down on it, snap the wings in, and you're ready to make some crimps. Now, notice this has a ratcheting action. So this will take you right down to where you can do this crimp exactly how it needs to be. Not too tight, not too loose, perfect crimp every time. Then when you're done with it, if you need to change to another head, you just push it in and move on to the next. So if doing some wiring is in your future, don't skimp when it comes to the crimp. Get the Cornwell Universal Crimp Tool Set.